Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, where we unlock the secrets of the self-made millionaires and share the insights with you so that you can become wealthy as well. Today's topic is all about how you can achieve millionaire status by the year 2025. So, if that's something you're interested in, please give me a thumbs up. And without any further ado, let's dive straight into it, starting with no. 1. Shifting your mindset. To actually become a millionaire, it starts from within with your thoughts. And if you really want to accomplish this goal, then you need to adopt some core beliefs that are at the very core of becoming a millionaire. Like, first off, you need to stop saying, I could unafford it, and start saying, how can I afford it? The language that you use shapes your thoughts, and if you surround yourself with thoughts of scarcity, you'll never attract wealth. Secondly, start thinking in terms of, I invest money, I don't spend money. When you look at money as an asset, you'll find smarter ways to multiply it instead of mindlessly spending it. Lastly, adopt a positive and growth-oriented mindset. Believe in your ability to succeed and focus on personal growth and development. Surround yourself with positive influences, read inspiring books, and engage in activities that uplift your spirits. By adopting these beliefs, you lay the foundation for a successful journey towards becoming a millionaire. Remember, it's not about luck, it's about the power of your mind. Moving on to number 2, getting rich alone will not bring happiness. You could be absolutely filthy rich, but if you don't have the peace of mind that comes with inner wealth, then your life is going to be miserable. You might think money will solve all your problems, but trust me, it won't. Money can buy you comfort and security, but true happiness stems from within. Cultivate inner wealth through mindfulness, gratitude, compassion, and personal fulfillment. Keep in mind that happiness is a choice, not a destination. And don't let the pursuit of money overshadow the joy you can find in the present moment. Now, here's a little exercise for you. Take some time to reflect on your own life and identify the things that truly matter to you. What brings you joy, fulfillment, and a sense of purpose? Write down your thoughts and create an action plan to incorporate more of these fulfilling activities into your daily life. This exercise can help you prioritize what truly matters and avoid losing sight of your values and passions in the pursuit of wealth. I want you to think of money as a tool that can enhance your life and allow you to pursue your dreams more easily. But remember, it's not the end goal. True fulfillment comes from living a life that aligns with your values, nurtures your relationships, and brings you joy. Next up, number 3, master financial literacy. If you're serious about becoming a millionaire, then you have to master your finances. Think of it as a skill set that will help you manage your money effectively and make smart choices about where to invest your hard-earned cash. And guess what? It's not complicated. Start by tracking your income and expenses. Create a budget and allocate your funds wisely. Pay yourself first by setting aside a portion of your income for savings and investments before paying your bills. Educate yourself about different investment options like stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. It's important to understand the risks involved in each investment and choose the ones that align with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Don't forget to plan for emergencies and unexpected expenses by building an emergency fund. And if you need extra help, consider seeking guidance from a financial advisor who can provide personalized advice and strategies based on your individual circumstances. Learn how to make your money work for you. One of the key habits of millionaires is that they leverage their money to generate even more wealth. So how can you do the same? Well, let's explore some ways your money can start working for you. First, we've got investments. Putting your money into assets like stocks, bonds, real estate, or a business can yield returns over time. Stocks allow you to own a piece of a company and potentially benefit from its growth. Bonds lend money to governments or corporations in exchange for interest payments. Real estate can provide rental income and long-term appreciation, and businesses can generate profits through sales of goods or services. Next up, we have high-interest savings accounts and CDs. These options provide a fixed rate of return on your savings, allowing your money to grow without taking on additional risk. I'll leave some links down in the description box below this video where you can start earning a higher interest rate on your money. And last but not least, peer-to-peer lending platforms connect borrowers and lenders directly, often offering higher potential returns than traditional savings accounts. Just make sure you do your research and diversify your investments. Across different platforms and industries to manage risk. No. 5. Do not wait to start investing until you're rich. As soon as you start earning a salary, it's important to start investing. Waiting to become rich before investing is a common mistake that can have a significant impact on your financial future. Firstly, by waiting, you miss out on the power of compounding returns. Investing early allows your money to grow exponentially over time. The longer you wait, the more you'll have to catch up later. Secondly, you may face limitations when you're older. As you age, you may have less time, energy, and health to pursue investment opportunities. Starting early gives you a head start and allows you to take advantage of opportunities as they arise. Thirdly, investing can be a great way to save for retirement. By starting early and investing consistently, you can build a substantial retirement fund that will support you in your later years. It's never too early to start. Begin with small investments and gradually increase them over time. And if you're unsure where to start, consult a financial advisor to develop a tailored plan that suits your needs. No. 6. Do not fall in love with a single investment. Diversification is crucial for mitigating risk and maximizing returns. Spreading your investments across different asset classes, industries, and geographical regions can help you navigate market fluctuations and unexpected events. When you diversify, you essentially reducing the impact of any single investment performing poorly, because you have other investments that may be doing well. For example, if you put all your eggs in one basket, and that basket is Tesla, and the stock takes a plunge, you'll feel the full force of that drop. But if you spread your investments among various tech companies like Apple, Google, Microsoft, Amazon, Meta, and so on, if one of those stocks falls, you'll still have others that are likely to be performing well. Number 7. Embrace continuous learning. One of the defining habits of millionaires is their commitment to lifelong learning. They understand that knowledge is power and constantly seek to expand their intellectual horizons. Here's why embracing continuous learning is so crucial. Firstly, it keeps you adaptable. In today's rapidly evolving world, staying current with the latest trends and technologies is vital. Continuous learning equips you with the skills to adapt to changes and thrive in new circumstances. Secondly, it enhances your problem-solving abilities. By continuously learning, you expose yourself to new perspectives, ideas, and problem-solving techniques. You become better equipped to tackle challenges and find innovative solutions. Thirdly, it boosts your confidence. Acquiring knowledge and mastering new skills can significantly boost your confidence. When you learn something new, you realize what you're capable of and become more assertive in pursuing your goals. Finally, it opens doors to new opportunities. Learning expands your horizons and exposes you to new possibilities that you might not have considered otherwise. You gain fresh insights and discover exciting opportunities that align with your interests and skills. Embrace continuous learning, whether through formal education, online courses, reading, or attending workshops. Invest in your personal growth and watch your confidence soar. Last but not least, never stop improving. If you want to become a millionaire, then you need to improve your skills and knowledge continuously. This will make you a valuable asset in any field you choose. Don't ever become complacent. Always strive to be the best version of yourself. One way to do this is by setting short-term and long-term goals for yourself and regularly evaluate your progress. Are you hitting your targets? Do you need to adjust your strategy? Use analytics to your advantage. It provides insights into what's working and what needs improvement. If something isn't yielding results, don't hesitate to change your approach and try something new. This adaptability will help you stay ahead of the curve and capitalize on emerging opportunities. Remember, becoming a millionaire is a marathon, not a sprint. Consistency and resilience are key. Stay committed to your goals, embrace challenges as opportunities for growth, and celebrate your successes along the way. I hope you found this video insightful. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay motivated and keep chasing your millionaire dreams.